LeetCode 595 big countries. A country is big if it has an area of at least 3 million or it has a population of at least 25 million. Write a solution to find the name, population, and area of the big country. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. We're going to solve this very easy LeetCode question in both SQL as well as Python Pandas, and I'm going to take you step by step to achieving these simple solutions. All right, let's start coding. So probably one of the easiest questions on the platform. Let's take a look at our example. We have all these countries, continent, area, population, GDP, and then we have the output over here, Afghanistan, Algeria. They have the population that hit the threshold as well as the area that hit the threshold. So let's write that out. One table. So what we're going to do is select, we're going to grab our name, which is our first one. Then we're going to grab our population, and then we're going to grab our area. So pretty basic, from world. And then all we're going to do is where area is greater than or equal to. I'm just going to populate this number. And then we're going to say or population is greater than equal to. And then I'm also going to grab this because that's what was asked. And I'm going to run. And it's been accepted. So let's answer this question one more time. What we're going to do is grab the name, population, area from the world table because that's what's requesting for us. And then it's asking us to filter based off the area or population. So one of these two criteria have to be hit. That way it's going to be considered a big country. So we take a look at the area. I'm just going to copy and paste that over. And the same with the population, right? Greater than or equal to that same exact number over here, 25 million. And then the area was 3 million. So populate both of those. Put those in the where either one of those conditions could be met, then just run it and done. Probably the easiest question on this platform. Let's take a look at the Python Pandas. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to set up world filter as a new data frame. So world filter equals, and then we're going to have world over here. Then inside of world, we're going to have to do a few things. So since we're going to looking at add a or and look at two things, make sure you just have parentheses over here, a pipe, as well as parentheses. And we're going to take a look at first is our world area. So just have world over here again. Then I'm just going to put these blank for now. Then I'm going to say is greater than or equal to, and I'm going to grab this number. And actually what I'm going to do, funny enough, is I'm just going to copy all of this world over and paste that there and grab that 25 million, add that over here. Then all we need to do is grab our area and population. So just put area here, population. So this is essentially our where clause within Python Pandas. So I'm just calling this new data frame as world filter. We're looking inside world where either one of these two conditions are met. Make sure that you put these parentheses, otherwise it's going to break. And then also put this pipe, which means or. So we look at world area, which is that column, is greater than, it was what? 3 million, and then the population is greater than or equal to 25 million. Again, super basic. Then we're going to do one more line, return, and we're going to return this world filter. And inside over here, we're going to return these three specific columns. We need name, then we need to put population, so population. And then lastly, what we're going to do is grab the area. Let's just run this code. It's been accepted. So one last time, we just go over here and we look at area over 3 million, population over 25 million, pipe, parentheses over here inside world. And then we return our data frame world filter, which has the name, population, and area columns. And just a few lines of code later, we have solved this question. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe if you're brand new. I'm uploading multiple videos every single week. Now, if you want to keep studying LeetCode questions, I have a few down below in the description, as well as a playlist right here.